It's really a day that many people of Muzaffarnagar would want to erase from their memories because the two alleged hate mongers and riot accused are all set to be honored by the BJP in Agra. This controversial plan to felicitate Sangeet Som and Suresh Rana is still on and without any sense of regret. And the man who will be sharing the dais with the two is none other than Narendra Modi.
As the BJP prepares for Narendra Modi's rally in Agra, the attention is on the party's move to felicitate two of its controversial MLAs. BJP's MLA from Sardhana, Sangeet Som, is facing charges of inciting the recent communal violence in Muzaffarnagar, where 62 people were killed. Suresh Rana, another BJP MLA, is facing charges for his alleged role in fanning communal tensions 2 months ago.
Two BJP MLAs, Sangeet Som as well as Suresh Rana, who were held in their role for the Muzaffarnagar riots, will be seen sharing the dais with the Prime Ministerial nominee of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Narendra Modi, in his Agra rally that is scheduled to take place on Thursday. Remember, a huge political uproar has been created, especially by the Congress as well as Samajwadi Party, who have once again accused the BJP of using communal politics in one of the most important states in the run-up to the 2014 general elections, that is the state of Uttar Pradesh.
But the BJP has come in for strong criticism from the Samajwadi Party for inviting riot-accused MLAs to the Agra rally.
असली चेहरा बीजेपी का, दंगाई चेहरा जनता के सामने आ गया है जब से ये सामने बात आई कि दंगा के मुख्य आरोपियों को आगरा में मोदी के द्वारा सम्मानित किया जाना है.
And now, if the BJP goes ahead to felicitate the riot accused, is the party not openly playing the communal card and thereby risking to dilute its Prime Ministerial nominee's much publicised development plank? Bureau Report, Times Now.